In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Bank of America Merrill Edge investing. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, in order to use this feature of Merrill Edge investing, you can either download the app separately, or you can also open up the online banking of Bank of America and then head over to the investing section, because the Merrill Edge is integrated within this platform. Now what you'll need to do is, first of all, create an account if you haven't already, which you can do by heading over to the application, and you'll need to select between a self-directed account or a guided investment. Once you have selected your account type, you need to pay and transfer, which is transfer your money from your bank account of Bank of America directly into the Merrill Edge platform. Now, the benefits of Merrill Edge is you will get the view of your investment portfolio. You can transfer funds as well as trade stocks or ETFs directly through this platform. You can use your regular checkings and savings account to fund your investments as well. You can execute your trades within the mobile banking application of Merrill Edge as well as the Bank of America. So that's basically all there is to it. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.